family.
Yeah, I know this.
And me say family. Me love me family, them to me heart. Me would do the earth, one of them. Real killy dead to the end, dead from me start. Me real better them. Cause them no know when we.
Guys, when I tell you that I'm tired, I mean tired. Look on my head. I'm so overwhelmed at work, guys. So overwhelmed. I'm not finished. I really wanted to stay a little bit later and do some more work, but I feel like I'm feeling this pressure like right here. Whenever like I'm like working too much or like I'm drafting a motion, I'm trying to like think of my arguments or whatever, like whenever I'm doing that stuff, like it gets to a point where I do too much and I start to feel like this pressure right here. Whenever that happens, I walk away. I don't care what point I'm at. I don't care where I'm at. I don't care when it's due or what's going on. I'm taking a break. Cause guess what? Wanna not go mad me. I feel like whenever I feel that, it's like a signal, like walk away for real. Like, or you're gonna go crazy. Yeah, I got cut off, you guys, because I started the car. But like I said, I feel like that's God's way of warning me and telling me to step away whenever I'm doing too much. Okay? And I'm listening to God. Like, I don't play them games. I know too many people who've like lost their freaking minds, like over some like stress or dumb crap. Like, it won't be me, because Cindy is walking away. So I am gonna have to come back to work tomorrow. Today is Friday. It's the weekend. I do need to get this done because the stuff is due on Tuesday, but Monday is going to be a really messed up day for me because I'm going to spend most of my day in court, as is Tuesday. So I really need to get this done this weekend. So I'm going to come back to the office tomorrow and get it done. I was going to take it home and work from home, but honestly, there's too many distractions at home. If I have something really, really significant to do, I can't do it at home. I prefer to like go into the office where it's quiet, no one else is there, and I bang it out that way. So that's the plan. Anyway, I'm headed home right now. I have a very funny story to share with you guys, but I'm not going to share it until Jermaine's around because it involves Jermaine. And this one is history, guys. This one is history and he needs to be there. So I will vlog when I get home. Until then, I guess I'll talk to you guys later. Bye. Guys, I'm sorry. So Jermaine and I are at my job at freaking 9 o'clock on a Sunday. Why? Because Cindy left her files for Monday and I'm going to court in Queens tomorrow. So it wouldn't make sense for me to drive to my job to get my files. So I'm like, you know what, let me come get it tonight. So yeah, what going, squad? Yo, squad, I give him the Yankee beats and I look on the man footwork.
Look on Cindy one.
Guys, look at my feet. There's a story behind that, guys. There's a story behind that. So I freaking like had the white ones on and I went back into the house to go get something and I realized I stepped in dog shit. So my left foot, this one right here, I stepped in dog shit. So I just like grabbed the black one and put it on. Anyway, we get the files for tomorrow. Squad.
Mad people.
What you have to say to the people them, Jermaine? Got the people them like you talking or taco?
Oh, somebody are going to hold it still. This out what I go on. First, me I sit down in one of them chairs. In the office. So, feel it out. Yo!
You don't have no sense to that. What?
One night when me and you go a movie. After we go up there and sit down. You see you buy one big juice, the big cup.
The fountain drink, yeah.
Yeah. The one where we can't carry boat can get cold water. Yeah. after me said so, boom. And me go up there. And remember, we did sit down in the wrong seat.
Right.
Yeah, and when the youth come, I must say, yo, hey, this a seat here for me. After you set the chair for me, you know, because I don't know if you set to me. After you set the chair for me, I mean, sit down, you know. I mean, can't move, you know, I don't know if you carry up back. No, I do nothing. The boy come and say, I feel share that. So after we set to boom, and get up. And we sit down over here on the other side here now. The boy still a look. After me sit down back now, because I don't know if you carry up the chair now. So after me sit down back here now, the boy still a look. I say, hey, what the problem is? Because after me sit down again now, I don't want to look like a fool now. If you go try, if you go get up back. So, I say, what the problem now, brother?
What you say?
You know, say nothing. You go sit down. Because me don't know if you get up back. So I said so. He said, me don't know if you get up back, brother. So after me said so, boom now. And me sit down in the place. I remember saying, they give you the glasses, you know, for put on. So, me have the glasses. And me know say if you go on still, you know, but me never know say you not gonna give you a, you know,
a clear picture.
A clear picture. So when you turn around and say, Jermaine, you're supposed to put on the glasses. Mr. Cindy, me I scratch me, you know, man. I scratch me, I go put on it, I scratch me first. I scratch me.
You fucking
so
liar.
So boom.
That's what was happening?
Yeah, I said so boom. I'm throw on the glass now. After I throw on the glass, me did I have a big popcorn on the side, yeah. And I have my big bucket of juice. You know the thing there. So poor me now. At the first me I got a movie. So me didn't know. Me don't want to look like a fool, you know, if you take up because this is big body, you know. So me don't want to look like a fool. If you take up it when you're supposed to rest in a little thing and you drink it out. So me did it. I eat my popcorn. So my time I'll choke, but me not touch the drink. Me a side the ice in the see what am I going to do with the drink? So me did it. And side the eye, I watch what I go on. Then when me see you rise the cow bucket and put your head so. I say, oh, that's what if you do. So after injuring little, by saying next 2 seconds, no, I'm not playing number 2. Next 3 seconds, I take up for me and drink. So, I said, you didn't have hell in there.
Jeremy, you killed me. You killed me. So why you never tell me, Jeremy? Why you never ask me?
You carry me to a place, you never ask me if I ever been to the place before. Right? Me never gone to a place before. So you should have shown me the ropes.
It's just a movie. And it's just a movie.
It's just a movie.
And it's just popcorn and a drink.
Yes, it's just popcorn and
so
a drink.
obviously, if the drink is in the freaking cup holder and you need to drink it, you pick it up and you drink it and you put it back.
Yeah, but to it, big and heavy. You didn't know, this man lift up the sitting there. Do you know?
Oh, wait. Guys.
You
I got the freaking look. I look busted, you guys. I'm sorry. I look crazy. There's no excuse for my look, the way I look right now. But Jermaine, that killed me. And like I said, we were literally chilling inside the house. I'm like, you know what? Let me go get my files. Got my files now. But Jermaine, I talk about cold bucket of water. It's literally like the large size of the fountain drink. You know those like slushy drinks that they sell at the movies? The large one. And that Jermaine I go on so far.
I said there, everybody. I see what them are going to do. If them are going to rise the cow bucket and drink it out of it. You see?
And it's them kind of country come to town.
I'm one country come to town.
Oh shit. Jermaine, should we tell them about the credit card thing now?
Yeah, we could have tell them about the credit card, but here, the credit card are there. I would have show them. I would have hold up this and they say, what color this?
You don't have to show them nothing.
What color this?
You don't have to show them anything. Never tell them, right? Guys, forgive me. All right, so this story here, I was not going to share it with you guys. But Jermaine was like, no, he needs the public's opinion because he feels like he is correct and I was wrong.
Yeah, but we want the card them not there. Because them would have see who right from who wrong when the card is here. All
right, so
prove the thing, you know.
all right, fine. So you know what, guys? We're not what? Stop.
We have to go settle it, because you know, done so. That officer.
Alright guys, it have to settle, but it's not gonna be settled now because I don't have the card. And the man said we need to have the card in front of us.
Of the card.
So you know what? Let's leave.
Prove.
We're gonna go home right now and we're gonna settle this. Alright?
Oh. No, me no wrong.
Okay, you guys. So Jermaine and I are back home. And are we gonna settle this?
Yeah, we need to settle it.
Yo, Jermaine is so bothered by this. So bothered. Literally, this happened like, oh, well, you guys know. Well, if you follow me on Snap, then you know. I was driving and I fell into a pothole, busted both my right tires, had to get new tires, almost like damn near $1,000 for 2 freaking tires, but whatever. Such is life, right? Anyway, I've been like trying to cut back on like my credit cards and all that stuff. So I don't even take my cards with me anymore. Like I leave them all home. And I had dropped my car off in the morning to get fixed, to get the 2 new tires. And they told me it was ready. So I went to go get it after work. I get there, I totally forgot that I'm like not traveling with my cards anymore. So I had no cards. I only had like $300 cash on me. It was like 8 something for my damn tire. I'm like, the guy's like, if you can get me the number, then we can do it. I'm like, all right, bet. So I called Jermaine. I said, Jermaine, do me a favor, please. I said, please go to my apartment and like check here. I said, check the table. Because as a matter of fact, it was on the table right here. That's where I had them. So I said, there's a bunch of credit cards. Look for the one that says Capital One. It's gray and it has a red rim around it, right? Jermaine said, all right. I'm waiting. I got all these freaking men looking at me. These freaking 8 eyes belonging to Caucasian men staring at me because I'm holding them up. It's the end of the day. They want to go home. I'm the last customer in Mercedes trying to get out. I'm going to have no money. So I'm waiting. Probably like maybe 2 or 3 minutes past. I'm saying, well, the man dead. The man not called me yet. So I called him back and I'm like, Jermaine. He said, oh, I'm going inside now. Whatever. Anyway, Jermaine come pick up the car them. Jermaine, I go through the car. Jermaine say, don't see no Capital One. He said, no, I'm not see no Capital One. I don't see no grey card. He said, grey card. One was the Banana Republic. He said, no, Jermaine. It's a Capital One. Capital One. It's a grey card with red going on the rim. Jermaine said, don't see. I said, Jesus Christ. I said, all right, I'm going to go. So I come off the phone now, and I'm like, all right, I'm just going to Google Capital One and call them and see if I can get them my information and see if they'll give me the freaking number and the expiration to the card. While I'm freaking talking to them, I think you called me and you asked me, oh, is it this card? I'm going to say, no. I said, Jermaine, it has to be there. If it's not there, look on the table or look on the counter or something, right?
All right, wait. What color? What color you tell me?
Me say gray.
All right.
Hey.
People, look at. Hey, watch out.
Bridget, listen. I'm describe it many ways. I said Capital One, gray,
all right, look at.
red rim going around it.
People, look at.
All right.
You see much car here, sir? You see it? You see them? All right, boom. You say you want gray, right?
Gray, Capital One.
Gray.
As a matter of fact, I said ending with 8966. I said that. Mr. The card end with 8966.
Look
all
here.
Right, there.
Boom. How color this? I'm look on this card there.
Gray.
Eh? A gray card this?
Agree.
This a gray?
Agree.
This look like gray?
Agree.
You know, putting the people them so hard go on.
But me I show them the card. That is a great card. And then look, guys, with the red, you see the red river?
Boom. She called me. She tell me say she want me deal with that thing for her. I said, so boom. Me not sure. I don't know say a countryman come from. Man, I used to be with warm water. So I enjoy a little warm water. So boom. She never tell me say I'm not in emergency. So me I take me little time and enjoy me little beer and thing. Boom. She called back to me say, all right. Cut it short. Boom. By the time I pull the door, she said, so oops. She called back again. She said, if me not get the car there, I said, no, me I go in there right now. Boom. Go in there and say, look, you see a great car. Honestly, this don't look like great to me. So, he said, so boom, I run through the car them. Can't find it because she said, Grey card.
With red around it. Capital
Grey,
one.
me I work with that one, yeah.
Capital one.
So, all of the rest of the card, me just put them aside. And me I work with it. Boom. After me run through the whole of the card, them, she said capital one. Capital one. She said,
I told you capital one from beginning.
Alright.
Capital one.
Show them the table where they pan.
This.
Boom. This a table
So
where they pan.
I said coffee table. I said, Jermaine, it's on the coffee table.
This is what I said. She said, Jermaine, it's on the coffee table. Me don't know coffee table. Because from me I grew up, me never see for me people them not talk about no coffee table. They say, Jermaine, go up a yard, look in front of the TV, yes, on the table, you see one card. Yeah, come. So I that him fi say. Boom, she a talk about coffee table.
So
Me I look for one table with coffee on it. So, I know my fault.
Jermaine.
Me said to boom again.
Jermaine said, what am so?
Me said to boom again.
I said, Jermaine,
me not tell her
the
that.
table in front of the TV.
Yes. So, and that she fi saying in the first place, Jermaine the table in front of the TV. She a talk about coffee table. Eh?
All right, fine.
Boom again now. She said, Jermaine, look on the card. You see. What you say? One grey?
A grey capital one card.
Grey capital
ending
one.
with 8966.
Yeah, and then now, alright, me find the card. Because the card never up on the table, you know. It upon, what you call that? The dining table. The dining table, the card upon. Alright, boom again now.
Alright,
no. Find the card. You know, when we find the card. No, you know. After me find the card. Really?
No. Before him find the card, right, guys? Before him find the card, he found another card, and it's from Capital One as well. So I said, Jermaine, give me the 800 number on the back of the card, because this is before I was gonna call. I'll Google it. Jermaine, I look on the back of the card. Jermaine said, he don't see no phone number. Mr. Jermaine, there has to be a phone number on there. Him saying don't see. Mr. All right. Anyway, fine.
Wait.
All right, so then you find the card.
You get that time. People, she rush me. So,
guys, I'm embarrassed, guys. It's like these freaking 8 men staring at me, waiting for me to freaking come up with something to pay for the damn car. And all I want him to do is just give me the card number. Just give me the card number.
I feel her card. I know my one. Then she said she want the expire. Yeah. So yeah.
Wait.
Yeah.
No, Jermaine, don't.
Let the people in my face. You see what I share the file. You see what she do? She push me away. She hold, put her hand round for my mouth because she don't want me to talk.
No, because you tell it wrong.
No.
Then after him give me the number, I said, all right, Jermaine, just below the number you just gave me is the expiration date. Him say, look, you're gonna see some numbers. The expiration date. Jermaine said, I don't see no number.
No,
Mr. Jermaine, you're killing me. I know I'm getting irritated.
Yeah, no. Boom. She said she want the expire date. When the no, after your card, no, my one. She said expire, the expire date. You have to spell it out. EXPI. So that me I look for. So and that the penny, a valid through the penny. If she
but
say,
give me number.
Give
me the number. Under the number, you just give him. Just give me the credit card number.
If you are spell out expire, you
that's because you're not seeing the number. So I'm trying to say, okay, expired. EXP, because now I'm like
getting EXP the penny. A valid true the penny. So a valid true if you spell. Valid true if you spell if you spell expire. EXP. No, I bet me look for EXP.
He's focusing on
for and a valid true. So I'm my fault.
He's focusing on the wrong thing, you guys. He's focusing on the wrong thing. I said give me the number below. It doesn't matter if it says valid through or expired. Just give me the number below the credit card number. The man I say in the final number. So now when I start getting frustrated, I'm like, Jermaine, you're killing me.
Yeah, no. Me take my time I look through the cat. Yeah, Jermaine, you killing me. So you isn't hurt me when you say about Jermaine, you killing me. But Jermaine, you killing me. Tell me what I do. But Jermaine, you killing me. So, Lord God Almighty. After me find the card and give her the whole of the information, after I get him, I call him back. You no answer. You no answer none at all.
I was so frustrated. I'm just like, yo, this is the most difficult task ever. You make me look like I nose ass in front of these freaking men. Now wait, I can't pay for my car. Oh, my God, this is the credit card number. And the man tell me, say, don't see the card.
No, because...
And the card is right there.
No, the card is not right there. Because me have to search all over the place for the
when
card.
I come home now, all right, even when you find the card, Jermaine, you couldn't even give me the expiration number. And then I asked you for the security code. The 3 numbers in the back. And you tell me, see no number. I said, Jermaine, the back of the card to the right. You don't see the 3 number?
People.
Finally.
Look here.
Show them. Wait there.
Yeah, there.
See there? Turn it around.
Yeah.
What isn't that 3 numbers? Right there. One.
Eh?
See the number there now?
One. So you don't get the number?
After 5 minutes.
No, tell no lie, man. You never catch fried. You never catch fried.
Guys,
hey.
The point is,
Yo.
everything was like this long, drawn-out thing. And I was embarrassed because this is the end of the day. Literally.
She rough me. She rough me. I mean, I say, Kia, me a grant her a favor and you're in my gala. Jermaine, you killing me. So what would I do? Me say, when I time I saw me turn up over the card debt. Tell me say me not look no more. Tell me I say, Jermaine, you killing me. Me no have no knife. Me no have no nothing. I must say, you're killing me.
Yes, Yo. Oh my God, guys. I was so frustrated. And then when I came home now, he was like, you never see me, I call you.
Hey. You hear me nervous. Because I said, Lord God, if you ever come home, come find the car there, no, brother. What me I go do? So you know what me do? When me call mommy, she say no answer, me take on myself. Me take on myself. So when you come home, you know about me. Hey, I'll pack, Mr. I'll pack.
Oh, God. I like myself.
Me I put me sitting them together. Can me say, hey, me ready? Fear card on my word.
That shit. It doesn't need.
If somebody send out you.
You know, hold some properly. Eh? Me fucking nose ass.
Eh? No, me can't only good if you fight me for it. Eh? There's no way. Me can't only good when you try to dry out a man. You got to be alive.
You hear Jermaine I do me, guys?
Yo, honestly.
You hear me do me?
Honestly.
Jermaine, that was a nose ass moment.
No, yeah, because your nose ass yo.
That was a nose ass moment, you guys. That's one of my grandpa's like little sayings. That was a nose ass moment because Jermaine, I just could not believe that it took me all of maybe 30 minutes just to get the details from my credit card.
Because I was bedded.
No, that's 5 minutes. Within 5 minutes, you were down here.
Hear me or no? Boom. If somebody say, oh.
Take your big finger out of the something.
If somebody say, you go for a ball. They say, 2 balls along the road. You see me I say? One of them have a writing panny. And one have no writing panny. They say they want the one with the writing. Now which one you got cat? Not the one with the writing. So, she has spell out expire when I valid show the panny. I'm not wrong. Me have to look for the
man have focused on the wrong thing, you guys. I'm asking for the expiration date. So him say, wait there. Me said, look below the credit card and wait, just give me the numbers.
No.
The numbers. No. Don't focus on the word expire. Just give me the numbers.
The word not focus on because you spell it out.
I started spelling it when you kept saying no, you don't see any numbers. No. I said, Jermaine, there's numbers. Yes, because some of them say EX, some of them say expire. Maybe this one say valid through.
Yes, but at your card you should know. So valid through you say.
Listen, move your back side.
What do you mean?
Move your back side. Listen, that was
you feel no say valid through the panny. Don't spell the wrong thing to me. Then you put the blame on me when white man look up in your face.
Oh my God. The bottom line, you guys, is that it literally took me, like, I'm going to say maybe about 30 minutes to get the information from my card. And the whole point is that Jermaine said, even though Jermaine had this card, Jermaine said this card is not gray. It's not gray. Even though I said capital 1, I said anyway, 8966, I'm going to say it have a red rim on it. You see the red rim? Only card what I have in the stack will have gray and a red rim. And Jermaine said, this is not the card because this is not gray. So he didn't even bother to give me the information from this card.
Because
for 20-something minutes.
No, all up good maintenance again. Because I'm wanting to tell me if I agree. If I agree, I want to say I agree. But, you know, look like gray too. What color is this?
That is like silver.
Yeah. What? What you would call this?
That's a different kind of gray. That's gray as well.
Alright, you see?
He's saying because that card is gray, this card is not gray. There's different shades of grays.
Yeah, but this...
There's different shades of grays.
Yeah, but me not feel this...
So what color is this?
Let me see.
Tell me. What color is it? It's not gray.
I call it like, you know, them are nice, the blendish bluing. Like, you know, it blend with some bluing eye. What you would say?
I say gray.
No, let's say blend with some little
Oh my
blue
God.
thing in eye.
Give him a card, Bridget. Give him a blouse that skirt, yeah.
Honestly, she punk out the thing. And then she want to blame it on me. I said, Jermaine, you're killing me.
You're killing me.
How about me, I kill him?
You're killing me. You're killing me. Oh my God, man. That's...
Oh, no make me know what I'm going. You see, if I'm wrong, you see I'm wrong. But
I'm wrong, guys. I'm wrong. I'm wrong. Because even if that's not gray, that's gray as he knows it, I gave him so many other identifying traits. I said capital 1,
yes.
gray with red rim, ends with 8966. One card in our stock and with 8966. There's one card with red
after me,
rim
me
around
come in
it.
the house and look over the whole place with this card. All when me buck you up, may I them get this you know, because right now, when I come in, I look for that.
Oh
because you never in the bungle where you say, you know.
But then I told you exactly where to go and get it.
Where?
I said if it's not there, it's over on the kitchen counter.
And if you know, over on the kitchen counter.
It's on the dining table.
No, where else you say?
Nowhere else. Nowhere else.
You say, Jermaine, look around the place because it must be there. So what me do? Me have to look around the place.
Oh my God,
Yeah.
guys,
So,
I can't.
yeah.
I can't.
Me glad so me say click the guy there for my brain. There for my brain, man. There for my brain.
Oh, so
She put it on me. Eh?
I think it's on him, you guys.
She put it on me when me know him.
Definitely on him. But
So
I saw the thing go still. Everything
Let
goes.
me know what I go on. Let me know if I must pack. Oh.
Oh my God, guys. I can't bother. Anyway, guys, we're gonna go. Tired. Tomorrow is Monday. I gotta go to work. So we'll talk to you guys later.
Bless up. More like, what are you? Let me know what I go on. Yeah. Put it on me,
Hey guys. So Jermaine pulled me out of the freaking house to come shopping, you guys. He is getting ready
touch the road.
to leave me. Come this way. He's getting ready to leave me, so you know he's got to do a bit of shopping. And I literally just I just came from the gym, so I'm literally wearing my gym clothes. Boy, I changed my sneakers and put on my what is it called? Australia. Water boat. Anyway, gonna do a bit of shopping with the guy. We only have an hour because it's Sunday and they close at 7, and it's right now just about 6 o'clock. Yeah. So we're gonna watch Jermaine put him chest out. Go on. Guys, Jermaine ready to go in. Watch out.
Road, you know.
Road.
See, jumped up.
The man pack up and ready. He's gonna leave us in the freaking icebox and go back to beautiful Jamaica.
Yeah, manage the fridge.
I'm envious.
I'll show them your bag, see. Show them your bag.
My market bag.
Put it on. Only for Guinea pan. Guinea Leesbury and them thing there.
Yeah, Jermaine said I look like a market woman. I could go hustle some Guineas and apple and all these things. Oh my God, guys. We literally came here and caught 1 hour because there was only 1 hour left. Because like I said, this one had too much fun last night, could not wake up today. And I went to the gym, as you guys saw, and then came home and made dinner. So by the time it was like finished, it was like 5 something. And they closed at 7 here, but we made it. Still got a lot done. That suitcase is filled with goodies, okay? He literally had like 5 bags, but we just tucked them in the suitcase. So it's easier to, you know, walk with. Dang, I really wanted to go to Lord and Taylor. Missed them. Jermaine, you gonna miss the icebox?
Huh?
Are you gonna miss the icebox? I said.
I'm not gonna miss the ice.
Are you gonna miss me?
Yeah, I'm gonna miss you, but not the ice. Hey, the way the place cold, man, y'all make me feel a hole in my back.
Huh?
Bend down.
You tired?
Oh, bend down. Let me put it on your head. That's all right.
Yeah. To your left, down. You know, in a sense of direction, Bridget.
Oh, you?
Yeah.
I'm gonna tell me to my left.
Do we have enough room to open the trunk? Or is it gonna hit?
Close. Not sure?
I think so. Yeah,
Close.
good man. Adrian, sit!